Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Puppy here. And this is Caffeine and BS for January 21st in the year of perfect vision. Yeah, I just received an envelope today from Craig Marshall, all the way down under in Linnea Valley, Australia. He sent me 2 of these. You can see one of them right there, up with Everett. Here's the extra, and here's his envelope. That's a beautiful stamp. I might have to start collecting stamps. Anyway, the Whitman sampler tin with Everett's envelope and other sticker, and here we go with Craig in the tin box, waiting for when I have enough to go for door skin and varnish and permanent attachment. And the note that came with its stickers is, "Hi Poppy, parentheses Wayne, here are some stickers as promised. I don't keep up with every video, there are loads, but I was amused by the beer review, and I'll look out for more." Hey, Craig, I intend to give you more. This note is going out later than I planned. I had promised it at least a couple weeks ago. It's Christmas Eve today. Snowbound from Australia. Yes. So it probably won't be in with you until well into the new year. Sorry to make you wait. That's okay. That is okay, Craig. Hope you have had a great Christmas and hope you have a great new year. Cheers and see you in the comments. Absolutely, Craig. And I'm not missing Emma tonight, so I can tell you with all of Emma's live stream viewers seeing, thank you! Thank you, Craig. As you can see, you're up here on the board of stickers. Thank you.